Hello, I am Eduardo Miralles and I will be showing you in this video the product of my personal project. It consists of a 3D model of the International School of The Hague using the game Minecraft. But this is just not a normal school model. It's the ideal eco-friendly school model. Let's start with the structures I implemented in the school. First of all, I installed a green roof. A green roof is a special type of roof that consists of a thin insulating material like rubber, with a layer of dirt and different flower and grass seeds on top of it. It does not look like a useful idea, but it improves the air quality of the city, the biodiversity and wildlife, energy conservation, and improved thermal performance, green space, noise and sound insulation, recycling materials, and storm water amelioration. Yes, that is a lot of things. It is also proven that green roofs at summer, the temperature beneath a membrane of normal roof is 32 degrees, while beneath a membrane of green roof it is 17.1. Also, in winter, under a membrane standard roof is 0.2 degrees, while under a membrane green roof it is 4.7 degrees. Here, you are saving quite a lot of money. There are several factors affecting the price of green roof, like the size of the roof, the height of the roof, and the initial maintenance costs. On top of this, they are still pretty cheap compared to other structures. They're 70 euros per meter squared. For this particular roof in my school, its price would be around 1,000 euros. Another structure or method in the school is water collection. Water collection is very important, especially in countries that rains a lot. It consists of big containers on the roof collecting the rainwater, where gutters or pipes later transported to a rainwater tank. The rainwater tank size depends on how much water you want to store in it. Also, they should include the rainwater tanks should include a solid, secure cover, a coarse inlet filter, which we will later talk about, an overflow pipe, a manhole, a sump, and drain to facilitate feeding, and an extraction system that does not contaminate the water. All of these facilitate the process of storing and keeping the water clean. Of course, the rate of water you obtain will depend on the amount of rainfall. In the school's case, as I mentioned before, this will not be a problem, as in Holland it's always raining. As for the cost, it has been estimated that a 6,000 meter cubed insulated metal container with windmill-driven pumps and distribution piping for the whole house or building will cost around 8,000 euros. This is about the cost I implemented in the school. If you have a rainwater system, you will obviously need something to remove the impurities from the water. In this case, a grey water system may be needed. These machines turn grey water, clean but not drinkable water, to drinkable water in a matter of seconds, as it removes lint and other impurities from the water. After cleaning the water, it will go back to storage for later use. Also, please note that these machines can also use shower and washing machine water. Therefore, the source of grey water in a building could be nearly endless. The cost of these machines are about 600 euros each, and barely needs any maintenance. They will also last about 15 years. As for saving gas, there's another little machine called heat pumps. These machines literally pull the heat or the cold from the air surrounding them and use them to heat or make the place colder. They can surprisingly cut a lot on heating and cooling bills if they're used properly, and even more surprising, they barely use any electricity. This is the most surprising thing of all. The prices are relatively low. They can cost between 1,500 and 4,000 euros to buy and install in an average house. As for the house, I have installed it in 4 different parts: in the plaza, in the primary section, and in 2 of the main corridors. All of these 4 heat pumps will cost around 13,000 euros. Important factors for saving electricity are solar panels. Solar panels are by far one of the best ways of having infinite free energy, and at the same time not emitting any greenhouse effects. A few meters squared of solar panels can cover the whole electricity bill of a small house, making them quite effective. The only problem of solar panels are its costs. About 28 meters squared of solar panels cost around 7,000 euros. But on the other hand, you will save 24,000 euros or a 17,000 euro profit over the period of 20 years. Another way of cutting down the bill and saving the environment is by having large windows and glass ceilings. This will let the sun come in instead of artificial lighting. This will cut on electricity bills and gas bills if you use it correctly. The final method implemented in this eco-friendly school is insulation. Insulation requires a thick layer of insulating material, like rubber or carbon fiber, inside of the walls, ceilings, doors, and windows. This will help in winter to not let the heat go through a city. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned a thing or two with our school. I seriously hope that in the next few years, most of the big buildings and small buildings like houses have all the things I mentioned in my video. Save the environment, save the world, save our next generation. Oh, yes, right, and my school.